Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Garmin watch to a Concept 2 rower. First, make sure your Concept 2 PM5 monitor has the most recent firmware update. This ensures compatibility and smooth operation. Next, verify that your Garmin watch supports either ANT Plus or Bluetooth Smart, which are essential for connecting to fitness equipment. Finally, power on both devices. Preparing them for the pairing sequence we'll cover next. Now, let's initiate the connection. On your Concept 2 PM5 monitor, go to the main menu and select Connect. From there, you'll typically choose Connect HR or More options to find available external devices. Simultaneously, on your Garmin watch, navigate through Settings to Sensors and Accessories, and then select Add New. This action will prompt your watch to start searching for nearby compatible equipment, including your rower. Once both devices are searching, you should see your Garmin watch appear on the Concept 2 PM5 monitor's list of detected devices. Carefully select your watch from this list to establish the link. A successful connection will be confirmed by a clear message or a specific icon appearing on both your Concept 2 monitor and your Garmin watch. This visual confirmation ensures that the two devices are now communicating effectively and ready for your workout. With the connection established, your Garmin watch will now display real-time workout data directly from the Concept 2 rower, giving you immediate feedback. After you finish your session, all the recorded data will automatically sync to your Garmin Connect account. You can then use the Garmin Connect app to review comprehensive performance metrics, such as distance covered, your average pace, and your heart rate zones, providing valuable insights into your training.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.